of my dear cousin, Elie Devico, passed away in 2022. And much older than me, obviously. He taught me how to drive when I was like 13 years old in these streets of Fez. And he has an amazing story because when we visited Morocco in 2017, the Bet HaKvarot didn't look this nice. It was a disaster. It looked very old. And Elie was one of the few Jews still living in Fez at the time. And he dedicated himself from that point on. He was started beforehand, but from that point on, he dedicated himself to fixing the Bet HaKvarot of Fez. And he discovered a lot of tombs that were random, and we were able to restore some of them. We'll say the story of a few of them coming up soon. And I mentioned to him, he would sit over here. He would sit over here yelling at the employees every day, making sure that they do their job. And I told him, this is a big zichut. And even though he was suffering from lung cancer at the time, I told him, Elie, the longer you're working on this is the zichut that's keeping you alive. He kept on going, and I got a phone call from him in February inviting me to the inauguration, that he finally finished restoring the cemetery. And in my heart, I was a little sad because I knew that was the zichut that was keeping him alive. And indeed, a few months later, he in Nisan, the 17th of Nisan, in Pesach, he passed away. I got that call. I was in Eretz Yisrael at the time. He passed away, but we could maybe post a video of him actually talking about this, the tzaddikim in the cemetery, and him knowing that he had a big zichut. So he really has a big zichut for a lot of the tzaddikim that were upkept over here. And Yinishmato Sor Chaim, Shem Tov Yom Avim Merachem Merachem Mesheisha Kasher Eliyahu Ben Yehuda Devico Ruach Adonai Direchanu Began Eden.
Je suis né à Fez en 1945 et j'ai vécu à Fez toute ma vie. Et je vais mourir à Fez. Que mon père, le pauvre, avait beaucoup fait pour l'entretien de ce cimetière. On a plus de ravins à Fez que dans tout le Maroc. Le Maroc a toujours été le Maroc et Israël a toujours été Israël, et les deux maintenaient des relations depuis très longtemps. C'est-à-dire que maintenant c'est officiel. Mais autrement, il y avait des touristes qui venaient. Ici on recevait jusqu'à 2000 touristes par mois. Les échanges commerciaux aussi. Maintenant, évidemment, ça va prendre d'autres ampleurs.